This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal, financial, health, or medical advice. From NEMT provider to broker, why and how to make the transition. You're watching RouteGenie, the channel built for NEMT providers, drivers, and entrepreneurs. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to stay on top of the industry. If you're running an NEMT provider business, you might be wondering if there's a better path forward. Today, we're exploring why many transportation providers are transitioning to become NEMT brokers and how you can successfully make this shift. The provider's dilemma. As an NEMT provider, you're constantly dealing with operational challenges, fleet expansion costs, vehicle maintenance, driver turnover, fluctuating fuel prices, and delayed payments. You might even hit a scalability wall where your service area simply doesn't have enough clients or qualified drivers to justify growth. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Many providers are discovering that the broker model offers a solution to these persistent challenges. Why brokers have the advantage. Instead of operating vehicles, brokers coordinate transportation services. This means greater financial stability, more predictable cash flow, and significantly lower operational overhead. You're earning through trip coordination and rate negotiations rather than managing fleets. The numbers tell the story. Over 70% of NEMT trips in the U.S. are now managed through brokers, and this trend is accelerating as states increasingly turn to broker models for coordination. As a broker, you can work with multiple funding sources: Medicaid, Medicare Advantage, private pay, and direct healthcare partnerships. Growth comes from securing contracts and managing provider networks, not buying more vehicles or hiring more drivers. Your provider experience is actually your superpower. Here's why former providers make exceptional brokers. Industry knowledge. You already understand scheduling, compliance, Medicaid billing, and patient needs. You know the importance of on-time performance, patient safety, and healthcare facility communication. Operational insights. Having managed your own fleet, you can evaluate which provider partners will handle workloads effectively and maintain quality standards. Existing networks. Your relationships with hospitals, clinics, insurance companies, and fellow providers become your foundation. These connections help you secure broker contracts and recruit reliable subcontractors. Customer experience. Unlike many brokers who only interact with clients over the phone, you understand rider frustrations firsthand. This insight helps you design better services that prioritize customer satisfaction. The step-by-step transition. Step 1. Research and planning. Assess brokerage demand in your region and identify your target markets: Medicaid, private insurers, or direct healthcare contracts. Decide whether to continue, scale down, or sell your provider operation while building your database of potential clients and provider partners. Step 2. Education and compliance. Learn Medicaid brokerage requirements for your state and obtain necessary licenses, certifications, and insurance. Ensure HIPAA and ADA compliance while developing skills in financial management, negotiation, and dispute resolution. Step 3. Technology investment. Modern NEMT broker software is essential. Solutions like RouteGenie make the transition seamless by automating trip assignments, optimizing provider networks, and ensuring compliance with Medicaid and insurance requirements. You'll need real-time tracking, automated scheduling, and robust data analytics. Step 4. Building partnerships. Negotiate clear pricing models and service standards with both clients and provider partners. Establish long-term contracts with facilities requiring NEMT services while partnering with dependable transportation providers for service reliability. Step 5. Operations and growth. Build your team for dispatching, compliance, and customer support. Develop quality control processes and market your brokerage through digital channels and networking. Monitor KPIs like on-time performance, provider reliability, and customer satisfaction. Technology makes the difference. The transition has never been more accessible thanks to technological advances. NEMT software like RouteGenie's Broker Edition handles complex coordination tasks that once required large teams. From automated trip assignments to compliance tracking, the right technology platform becomes your competitive advantage. NEMT providers have unique advantages when transitioning to brokerage: industry knowledge, established relationships, and first-hand understanding of operational challenges. With proper planning, the right technology, and strategic execution, this transition can lead to higher profitability and a more scalable business model. The NEMT industry is consolidating toward broker models, making this an opportune time to leverage your provider experience into a more sustainable and profitable brokerage operation. And that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and explore the other NEMT insights on our channel. Want to learn how RouteGenie software can streamline your operations? Scan the QR code on the screen or follow the links in the description, and don't miss the videos on screen. See you next time.